bang pag-aaral?
Di pa po. Last semester po.
Online na lang.
Online na lang.
This year, matatapos ang siya?
Yes po. This year, kasi naging busy lang kami sa taping ng The First Family. So, just waiting lang till the end of the semester, then we'll finish my last semester na. Next semester po.
Pero yung graduation pupunta ka?
Di na po, dito na lang. Sinabi ko sa press con ko dati na dito ko na lang itatapusin yung plano ko. So, yan lang po.
Andres, kumusta?
Kamusta po? Long time no see.
Kamusta experience doing a sitcom?
Ang experience naman, I'm super grateful. Super fun. A lot to learn talaga, especially working with all these people. Super experience talaga. My dad, of course, my mom, Tito Bayani, Tito Ses, Tito Roderick especially, all great actors, and so I'm just learning a lot, and the experience is really fun talaga, masaya.
Dream mo makasama?
Dream ko makisama sa...
Since pumasok ka na rin sa...
Wala naman akong dream na gusto kong makisama sa kahit sino, pero para sa akin lang, kahit sino, dream naman talaga kasi dream job ko to talaga.
So, maka-partner?
Off the top of my head, wala ko naman masabi. Pero kahit sino kasi everyone is a different person, it's a different experience. A lot of things to learn din from other people. So kahit sino, I'll be grateful talaga.
So anong reaction mo kanya sa sinabi ni Tita Ceci? Naiyak ka ba?
Magaling ka.
Pinuri ka
Muntik na ako lumuha, grabe. Luluha na ako.
She's a respected actress kasi.
Super. And you know, after talking to Tita Ceci during our time sa set, sa taping, she's really the sweetest talaga. She's so nice. She's very encouraging. Tapos nalaman ko rin na she used to teach dati pala sa UP, diba? Pang-acting. So, minsan rin I ask her like, Tita Ces, you know, anong pwedeng gawin dito? You know, kasi she's very articulate and she teaches very well. So, and she's the nicest talaga on set.
Gusto mo rin magawa ng drama roles? Or
Drama roles?
Medyo nasa comedy ka? Kasi yung gusto mong movie ng daddy mo, Dubai is a drama film. Yeah.
Gusto ko talaga mag-drama eventually. Pero na yun kasi, mahilig talaga ako sa mga jokes, pagbiro, pagkasal, ganun. So, I'm having fun now with the sitcom and all. And siguro, pag ready na ako, I really wanna do mga drama.
Sinabi ng dad mo na may hirap sa show business. Na-experience mo na ba yung difficulties? Meron na ba? Or medyo ngayon, light pa lahat?
Sa totoo lang, never light talaga. I treat every taping day as work talaga. I prepare, I read my script, I memorize, I practice, nag-workshop rin ako. So, di naman light. Just, I'm really trying to do the best I can always talaga. So I won't treat it light talaga.
You said to us na you have to earn your own money. Ano ba ang saan mo to ilalagay? Or what are you planning to purchase? Or ano ba para sa sarili mo?
Na yun kasi...
Savings?
Savings lang talaga. Iupunin ko na lang yung pera ko kasi in this job din naman, di mo alam kung anong mangyayari. So, you know, savings muna talaga. Habang bata pa ako, diba? Habang nagtatrabaho ako, gusto kong mag-save.
May nabili ka na ba sa first paycheck mo?
Dati nung nasa high school ako, yung first paycheck ko ng sa commercial, puro mga bagay lang, mga sapatos, gano'n. Doon pa, kasi bata pa ako. Pero na yun, di na masyado, iniipon ko talaga yung pera ko.
So, Andres, lalabas din dito yung pagiging funny mo. Kasi si Tash, nakita na namin yung sa Itbulaga, di ba? Ikaw, merong fingering side din, makikita namin dito.
Okay, kasi yung character ko kasi, mahilig magpabiro, magpasar, ganun. Tapos sa tunay naman, sa real life, ganun din ako. Mahilig ako mag-asar, magbiro, mag-joke. Kaloka talaga ako, di ba? So, gusto ko ipakita sa yung mga viewers yung real side of me naman. Kasi yung nakakita yung mga viewers ay si Andres baka
parang
serious, tahimik, ganun. Pero di naman ako ganun eh. Super masaya ako lang palagi. So, lang.
Tapos may partner ka, di ba si Heart? Medyo parang may...
Si Heart kasi sa show natin, siya yung best friend ko. Sorry pa. Wala ka lang.
Best
Siya yung best friend ko sa mga eksena natin. Childhood friend. So, up to the people na lang to, see what they want to see or think of what they want to see. Pero, she is my friend.
Kamusta naman working with her?
Great working with her. Heart is super nice talaga. Super nice person. We always talk. Minsan nagtitiktok kaming tatlo sa set. So, super saya naman. And she's also cadet namin siya. So, masaya lang. It flows very well. Very easy.
Humihingi ka ba o binibigyan ng tip ng bad mo tungkol sa panliligaw?
Panliligaw!
Bawal pa ba?
Ano to? Siyempre naman, kung itatanong ko siya kung may mga tips. Kasi, alam niyo naman, aga mo lahat. Lang, siguro, if I go... wag na lang sabihin. Okay, no naman, if I have, if I have a date naman, to tell me, ganito, pero nothing serious naman. She always tells me na lang, be yourself talaga, just be yourself, enjoy, have fun.
Of course, you are aware of how much a heartthrob your dad was in the past.
Yeah.
Do you talk about that and what tips does he give you now na you're on that?
Kaya ito nga, yung tati ko kasi sinasabi niya na, Andres, dapat gawin mo to, dapat gawin mo ganito. Tapos yung palagi kong sinasabi ay, Tay, Dad, gumagana lang yun para sa'yo kasi superstar ka. Diba? Pero wala, it's the same, it's just biro-biro lang, funny.
Ko na, linawin mo na rin, how true na nag-date, nakalabas ka, nakapag-date ka, and yung dated, Kailin. Anong totoo na?
What? Sorry po?
Si Kailin,
No po, I've met her with Tosh, pero dating I never did. Nakita ko rin na I never did.
So, no time for dating ka pa?
Right now kasi I just started work, so just really focus lang talaga sa trabaho ko.
Isa pang leading lady naman, sino yung mga dream leading ladies mo if top of mind?
Wala, di ko masabi. Marami, di ko masabi. Next time na lang. Next time.
Nakakasanayan mo na ba na pinakikiligan ka ng mga girls and even girls?
Pa-invite lang tayo.
Actually, di pa ako sanay sa totoo lang sa mga kiligan. Pero I'm getting used to it slowly. I appreciate it a lot palagi kasi it's nice to hear, it's nice to feel that people actually see me that way, and I really appreciate that kind of support. But yun lang.
But I'm sure in public nalalapitan ka na, may mga nagpapapicture na. How do you handle
Meron
that?
naman po, pero I'm super grateful na that gets to happen. Kasi unang-una, when someone comes up to me na gano'n and they want a picture or they at least want to converse naman, I'm very happy to entertain them naman, have a picture with them. Kasi I just want to make their day, diba? Kung when they leave me naman, I want them thinking na, wait naman ni Andres, diba? Like, he really made me smile today.
May limitation ka ba when giving in to family? Because like pag kumakain ka bawal, when you're talking to your family bawal, or kung pwede wag, may ganun ka.
Sorry po?
Meron ka bang limitation when it comes to accommodating your fans? Like, kasi yung iba di ba ayaw magpa-picture pag kumakain naman na kami. Or yung iba when they're out with your family, private time. Ikaw ba may ganun ka?
No naman po. Basta when they ask naman or when they come up to me, they're always nice talaga. I haven't had a moment na may bastos or whatever. They're really always nice. So, respectful din.
And you always say yes to request?
Always.
Okay, may request for a
Invite ka lang
photo.
sa first family.
Inimbitahan ko kayo para manood yung The First Family coming out July 21st. So, yan. Thank you.